Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to design interior and architectural concept with Prome AI, like a pro. Let's get started. First, go to your Google Chrome and search for promeai.com and log in or sign up. Then select the interior design or AI design feature from the main dashboard. It's perfect for creating rooms, exterior, and layout ideas. Then here in AI tools, just click the architecture. Then you can upload your space. Upload a photo of a blank room, sketch or floor plan, or use a sample image from the platform. The more visual the detail, the better the result. Now you can also choose your design style, like minimalist, industrial, or modern. You can even enter your prompts like open concept, kitchen with a marble countertops and warm lighting, and the Chrome AI will generate a transformation based on your vision. And once the design is rendered, you can download it with a high resolution image. Then, with Chrome AI, interior and architectural design just got 10 times easier and smarter. Try it now. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.